In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hotmail account. It's a straightforward process and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page, which is part of Microsoft 365. You can do this by typing Outlook login into your preferred search engine and clicking the appropriate link, or you can use the URL if you have it handy. This page is your gateway to creating a Hotmail account because Hotmail is now integrated into Outlook. You'll be greeted by the familiar Microsoft sign-in page, but don't worry if this isn't what it used to look like. Microsoft frequently updates their interfaces. Now, to create a new account instead of logging in, look for the option that says Create Account. This might be in the form of a button or link, often found at the bottom of the sign-in box. Clicking this will redirect you to the sign up page where we will begin the creation of your new Hotmail account. Here you'll see a field asking for an email, but wait before entering anything. You have the option to choose your domain type. By default it might show outlook.com, but can be changed to hotmail.com if that's what you prefer. Simply use the drop down menu and select at hotmail.com. Now enter a unique name for your email before the hotmail.com bit. It's always good to come up with something that represents you or is easy for others to remember. Keep in mind that millions of people use these services, so you might have to try a few different options to find an available name. Once you have your desired email address, hit the next button. Here you'll need to create a secure password. It should be strong yet memorable, consisting of a mix of letters, numbers and special characters to enhance security. After entering your password, click Next again. Next up, Microsoft will ask for some basic personal information. This includes your first and last name. Go ahead and fill those in. This information is essential mainly for security purposes and for recovering your account should you ever forget your login details. After entering your names, hit Next. Now Microsoft wants to know a little more about you by asking your country or region and date of birth. Enter these details carefully. The birth date helps Microsoft verify you are old enough to create an account. It also allows them to tailor your profile and account settings correctly. When everything looks good, hit Next one more time. Finally, as the last step, you will need to verify that you are indeed a human. Microsoft uses a CAPTCHA for this. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to solve the CAPTCHA or input the characters shown. This security measure keeps automated bots from creating numerous accounts and ensures that your new Hotmail account is in safe hands. And there you have it, folks. You have successfully created your Hotmail account. Now you can explore all the features that come with it and start sending emails. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.